Greetings viewers, wanted to show you how to splice the wires for a Ring security camera. So the problem I had was I needed like 15 feet of wiring. They sell 10 feet and the package comes with 6 feet, right? I mean there are some aftermarket components you can purchase, like 25 feet or something. I just didn't want to do it. I wanted to stick with OEM. So what I decided to do is I'm going to splice this one right with the other one and kind of put it together. Should work fine. It's the same wiring. The output, if you look at the label, the output is 5 volts right on both 2 amps, so should work out. I'll show you after the work is done. Should be good to go. So this is how I'm making the joint. As you can see, they're like red and black. Doesn't matter to me. I'm just gonna put it because this one doesn't have any coloring. So I just twisted one side. I'll put white tape, and then I'll do the same on this side, and then put another white tape on top of it, and hopefully that will kind of blend right in. And then I'll show you guys the final result once I have it. So final update. I just finished the work. As you can see, it's connected there. Ran the wiring, and then it goes up into the camera, and the camera is working. And I am probably standing 3 to 4 feet away from the cable here, and as you can see, it's blending in fairly well. The splice is right over here. It's a bit fat, that area. It's a bit wider than the other areas, but yeah, well, Ring says they don't recommend it. I don't know, like, if you tape it properly, so they're not connecting, there's no shorts or anything, so should be okay. So yeah, I decided to do it. It seems to be fine. I'll let you guys know if I have any update later on, if I see any issues or anything like that, but I'm thinking it should be fine. Alrighty then, let me know if you have any questions. See you next time.